Welcome to the chapter Knowing Our Numbers.
This slide presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to
understand comparison between numbers, estimate rounding off numbers, identify the place value of numbers, expand the numbers, illustrate usage of commas, differentiate Indian and international system of numeration, understand the large numbers used in our daily life, describe the units of lengths, weights and liquids, etc.
Introduction. Before entering into the chapter, follow the instructions shown on the screen. Click each tab to know more.
In lower classes, we studied about numbers and operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Do you know how to find the place value of digits? In this section, let us know how to identify the place value of digits and comparison between the numbers. Let us know how to estimate and compare numbers. As we already know that the number 9 is greater than 8. Now, let us find the comparison between two numbers in case of higher numbers. For example, let us consider two numbers 65895 and 64982. To compare these two numbers, first check the digits which are in 10,000s place, that is 6. Here they are same in both the cases. So go for next value which is in thousands place, and now again by comparing these two digits, we observe that the number 5 is greater than 4. So we conclude that the number 65895 is greater than 64982 number. Let us do a simple activity to find the greatest and the smallest numbers. In the first question, all the options are 4-digit numbers, except the second option, that is the 5-digit number, and hence 89575 is the answer. In the second question, only the third option's first digit starts with 4, which is the least number in the given options. Hence, 4546 is the answer. Let us perform an activity to know ascending and descending order of the given numbers. Drag and drop the given numbers in the ascending and descending order and click on Submit button to verify answers. The arrangement of numbers from the least value to the greater value from the given numbers is known as the ascending order. The arrangement of numbers from greater value to the least value from the given numbers is known as the descending order. Activity 3. Appropriate comparison symbol. Select the appropriate comparison symbol. Estimation and rounding off numbers. In our daily life, we come across many situations such as 500 students nearly assembled in a school prayer. 15,000 people approximately visit Ramoji Film City daily. 10,000 tons weight roughly lifted by a heavy crane. The words nearly, approximately, roughly are used to show that something is almost near the number but not completely. In fact, 15,000 may be 14,957 or 15,154. That is, it may be little less or more, but not exactly the stated number. Estimation is also a good way of checking answers. We usually round off the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on, etc. Look at the example which is shown on the screen, rounding off the numbers to the nearest tens. 51 is nearer to 50 than 60. So 51 is rounded off to 50. 56 is nearer to 60 than 50. So it is rounded off to 60. Let us do a simple activity on rounding off the numbers. Round off the following numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands by clicking the appropriate option. Let us revise the concept how to expand a number using place value. For example, look at the number 85. Here, 5 is in 1's place and 8 is in 10's place, such that by multiplying the digits with their respective place values, we can expand the number. Now, look at the number which is a 3-digit. Here, we have 9 in hundreds place and just multiply it with 100. Same will be applied for 1000-digit number, 10,000-digit number, and so on.
Knowledge check. Attempt the following questions to check your understanding.